AirWatch simplifies enterprise mobility management with our easy-to-use management console. Authenticate with your corporate credentials and gain immediate insight into your mobile deployment. With the AirWatch Hub, monitor your devices through a single pane of glass. Get real-time device information by platform, enrollment history, compliance status, and more. Customize the AirWatch Hub to monitor the device information that matters most to you in the format that works best for you, and easily export print-friendly snapshots of your mobile deployment. Organize devices based on geography, business unit, device use or internal groupings, and quickly filter down to a subset of devices. Our multi-tenant architecture allows you to integrate with different backend infrastructures across groupings in a single console and delegate administration of any group in your global deployment to local IT teams, business unit leaders, or global IT operations. Define settings for device management through profiles to enforce device policies and restrictions. Assign policies by platform, device ownership, and group membership with advanced options for time of day and location. Configure profiles for corporate resources including Wi-Fi, VPN, and email. Once you've defined your policies, you can link them to our automated compliance engine, where you can select from predefined rules, notifications, and escalating actions. If a device is out of compliance, AirWatch immediately disables access to corporate resources and notifies the user with the steps they need to take to become compliant again and regain access. The AirWatch compliance engine is unique in that it has full device awareness, so you can better protect your organization. In the AirWatch console, you can also set up privacy based on device ownership type, so you can prevent collecting personal data from employee-owned devices. Now that your profiles, compliance rules, and privacy settings are configured, let's look at how a device is enrolled. AirWatch can manage corporate dedicated, shared, and BYOD devices. For this demo, we will showcase the BYOD scenario. Before this employee-owned device is enrolled in AirWatch, personal apps, contacts, and calendar are all present on the user's device. Personal email is also configured, but no corporate email is configured on the device. Enrollment in AirWatch is simple and fast. A user can be sent a message or scan a QR code to enroll. The user simply navigates to the enrollment URL and enters their LDAP or other credentials to authenticate. Multiple authentication methods can be used for enrollment, including token, SAML, or basic authentication. You will notice this terms of use has been customized. This is important because it allows you to present how this device will be managed and what data is being collected. Terms of use can also be customized by region and language. After accepting the agreement, all of the applications, profiles, and web clips specific to the user's role are automatically pushed down to the device. You will notice the user is prompted to set a passcode. Email can be configured for users through AirWatch Inbox, a secure containerized email client, or through the native client. I've configured AirWatch Inbox to install on this user's device for corporate email. Corporate contacts and calendar have also been added. For added security, email attachments can be required to open an AirWatch Secure Content Locker. In AirWatch Secure Content Locker, users can access content in a secure container. Each piece of content is encrypted with 2 layers of AES 256-bit encryption and has full data loss prevention capabilities. Notice that all SharePoint content has synced, including subfolders. Easily scroll through multiple documents with a tabbed view. Configure custom DLP policies for each piece of content. For example, the settings for this document allows the user to send it via email, open it in another application, print it, and copy and paste from the document. Now, if I switch to a more sensitive document, you'll notice all the options for the previous document are unavailable. Users can also edit and annotate content and save files within Secure Content Locker or back to a repository. Users can find other AirWatch, public and internal apps within the AirWatch app catalog. Browse and filter applications by type and category, and view suggested applications that can be downloaded on demand. Required applications can be pushed during enrollment. The custom branded app catalog also supports multiple languages, ensuring an optimal experience for end users. Let's look at this meeting room application that was developed internally and pushed automatically. The app was wrapped using the native app wrapping engine in our console, which allows you to add an extra layer of security and data loss prevention to internal applications. Because the app is unwrapped, it enables the user to authenticate with corporate credentials and connect to the corporate network without exposing the entire device to VPN. Also pushed automatically, The AirWatch browser enables secure browsing to corporate resources, like SharePoint, without requiring a device-level VPN. As a user, I can manage my device through the self-service portal.